Okay, the big day is here. Well, at least a big day. There's going to be a few more coming up, but anyway, I'm getting it put in the car. It's already in the back of my Rampage, as you can see. And it's between this and the transmission, it's using all 1,025 pounds worth of load capacity on this little guy. So, but something I forgot to mention in the last video that, you know, details. You know, it's all about details. So, this exhaust manifold, it's got this extra shield that comes up. The other side does not have that because it's got a shield that wraps around the manifold. No 77 I've seen has these. It's only on 78s. You know, and vans and stuff like that will have this too, but I'm talking cars. But it's only on the one side. So to do a correct engine restoration, you need to have, you know, 2 sets of manifold gaskets so you can do that right. Anyway, I got, as you can see, Mopar spark plug wires, the orange ones, and they're almost right. Everything on this side of the engine is fine. This side, they're all, oops, there we go. They're all a little bit short in all reality. Oops, I got a wire caught there. I'll have to move that later. Because they're supposed to route from the distributor. There's a holder there, then to here, and then down to here. So they make this winding path around, you know, around the back side of the AC compressor, essentially, and then around to the back. And one of them that's different, this is supposed to be that angled one, and it's supposed to come around the dipstick, but you know, they're just long enough I can make them work. Because here, 2 of them for this side. I don't know if I can hold the camera back far enough, but those are some really long spark plug wires. You know, they're, you know, 4.5 feet, I suppose, and they're the ones that would go on the back 2 spots. And again, that exhaust manifold gasket has no shield because that guy's there. Anyway, that's kind of it for now. Okay, sorry about the wind. That's just the way it is right now. It's sitting in here. Transmission is in. It's hooked up. There's still a lot of stuff that has to get put back together yet, but you know, it's a big deal. Pretty happy. Looks good in there. Looks very good in there, actually. And that's about it for now. Once I get more stuff in there, you'll see more. It's alive! Yeah! Oh, there we go. Probably out of fuel by now anyway. A little hazy in the shop right now, even with the door open, but it runs. Had to dilly-dick with it for quite a while to get it to fire up. Part of my problem was this is ugly because I don't have the right bolt, but I didn't have a good ground, so therefore the starter was grounding essentially through the body. So anyway, there it is. It runs. Yay! Get my brakes finished, get a new master cylinder and get them bled, and maybe I can drive it around a little bit. I'll show you something if it's still sitting here. Yeah. All that mouse nest, all of that blew out of the exhaust along with all that rust in the exhaust pipes. They still have the old exhaust pipes in there, and that's what's going to be in there for a while. So, but anyway, it's alive.